Picture this. Artificial intelligence running vast swaths of our digital lives, making decisions, managing assets, maybe even creating its own economies. Now picture crypto providing the decentralized, transparent, and censorship-resistant rails for it all to run on. Slap those two revolutionary technologies together, and bam! You get the hottest, potentially most explosive narrative in crypto right now. AI crypto. Every other token launch seems to have AI bolted onto its name, promising paradigm shifts and, of course, 1000x returns. But let's be brutally honest here in May 2025, how much of this is genuinely groundbreaking tech solving real problems? And how much is just pure, unadulterated hype designed to separate hopeful investors from their hard-earned cash? It's time to cut through the buzzwords and dissect the reality. Why is everyone suddenly obsessed with jamming AI and blockchain together? It's the perfect storm. AI development is accelerating at warp speed. Think ChatGPT getting exponentially smarter. AI agents becoming capable of complex tasks. Simultaneously, the crypto world, having gone through booms and busts, is desperately searching for real-world utility beyond just speculative trading. Combining AI's intelligence with blockchain's trustless infrastructure seems like a match made in digital heaven. The potential is undeniably huge, promising everything from hyper-efficient DeFi to truly autonomous organizations. And where there's huge potential, there's even huger hype. Before we dive into the real stuff, let's navigate the minefield. Because let's face it, the AI crypto space right now is littered with projects that are questionable. First massive red flag. AI, purely as a marketing gimmick. If a project's white paper throws around AI-powered synergy, but can't explain precisely how AI actually improves its function beyond what traditional software could do, be skeptical. They might just be chasing the hype train. Second critical red flag. The unnecessary token. Ask yourself, does this AI application need a blockchain token to function? Or is the token just bolted on for fundraising and speculation? If the AI service could run perfectly fine as a standard Web 2 application without a token, the token's long-term value proposition is shaky at best. It needs genuine utility within the AI process itself. Third, beware of vague, grandiose promises without a clear product or roadmap. We're using AI to decentralize global consciousness by Q4 2027. Sounds impressive, means nothing. Look for projects with tangible goals, working demos, or at least a realistic development plan. And finally, check the team. Do they actually have verifiable expertise in both complex AI development and blockchain engineering? Building this stuff is hard. A team of marketing gurus and meme lords probably isn't going to deliver a revolutionary AI blockchain protocol. Okay, enough warnings. Despite the hype and scams, there are genuinely interesting intersections where AI and crypto are creating real value, right now in 2025. Let's look at the use cases gaining actual traction. Use case number 1. Decentralized compute, powering the AI revolution. Training large AI models requires absolutely monstrous amounts of computing power, specifically high-end GPUs. Currently, this market is dominated by giants like Nvidia, Oz, and Google Cloud, making it incredibly expensive and centralized. Enter DePIN projects focused on compute. Networks like Akash Network, Render Network, initially focused on graphics rendering but increasingly used for AI, EO.net, and others are creating global, decentralized marketplaces. People or data centers with idle GPU capacity can rent it out to AI developers who need it, often at significantly lower costs than traditional cloud providers. Why is this a crypto use case? Because tokens, like AKT or RNDR, are used to incentivize participation, pay for compute resources, and secure the network via staking. This isn't just theory. These networks are live, processing real AI workloads in mid-2025. The potential is huge, democratizing access to AI training, breaking cloud monopolies, and providing censorship-resistant compute power. The hype is real here, but so is the utility. Use case number 2. AI data integrity and marketplaces. Trusting the training. AI models are only as good as the data they're trained on. Garbage in, garbage out. But verifying data provenance, ensuring privacy, and creating fair marketplaces for valuable datasets are massive challenges. Blockchain offers potential solutions. Its immutable ledger can create tamper-proof records of where data came from and how it was used. Smart contracts could automate data licensing and revenue sharing. Projects historically like Ocean Protocol, and newer specialized platforms, are exploring ways to build decentralized data marketplaces. AI models could securely access verified datasets for training without compromising user privacy, using techniques like federated learning or zero-knowledge proofs. Why is this crucial now? Concerns about AI bias, data monopolies held by big tech, and data privacy regulations are peaking in 2025. The potential is massive, creating trusted data economies for AI. The reality? It's technically complex, faces regulatory hurdles, and widespread adoption beyond niche cases is still developing. Watch this space closely. Use case number 3. On-chain AI agents, the autonomous economy. This is perhaps the most futuristic, but also potentially the most revolutionary use case. Imagine AI programs, or agents, equipped with their own crypto wallets, operating autonomously on blockchains. What could they do? Optimize complex DeFi strategies 24/7, automatically rebalancing portfolios, finding arbitrage opportunities, or providing liquidity way more efficiently than humans. They could manage decentralized autonomous organizations, DAOs, by analyzing proposals, simulating outcomes, and even executing votes based on predefined parameters. They could power hyper-personalized Web3 experiences. Projects like Fetch.ai are building frameworks for these agents. We're seeing early examples now in 2025. Sophisticated AI trading bots. Use with extreme caution. AI tools analyzing on-chain data, like the graph leveraging AI, or even AI integrated into NFT platforms for dynamic content generation or valuation. The potential? A truly autonomous, programmable economy running on-chain. The risk? Security nightmares if these agents get hacked, ethical dilemmas, and the sheer technical challenge of building reliable autonomous systems in a decentralized environment. The hype is huge, the real-world deployment is just beginning. So, how do you, the savvy viewer, navigate this AI crypto jungle in late 2025 without getting eaten alive by hype monsters? No financial advice here, but think critically. 1. Does the project solve a real problem where both AI and blockchain are necessary components? 2. Is the token intrinsically linked to the AI function, providing utility beyond just speculation? 3. Does the team have demonstrable chops in both AI and crypto development? Check their GitHub, their past work, their academic credentials. 4. Is there a working product or at least a believable roadmap with milestones, not just vague promises? 5. Look at the community. Is it genuinely discussing the tech and use cases, or is it just when moon, price hype and meme spam? The AI crypto narrative is powerful, and it's likely to intensify through the rest of 2025. There's genuine innovation happening, particularly in areas like decentralized compute and potentially on-chain automation. But the hype bubble is also enormous, inflated by buzzwords and opportunistic projects. Many, maybe even most, current AI coins will likely fade away as the market matures and focuses on real utility. The projects that succeed long-term will be those that demonstrably leverage the unique strengths of both AI and blockchain to solve tangible problems more effectively than any alternative. So, is AI crypto the next internet, or the next pets.com bubble fueled by buzzwords? Right now, it feels like both are true simultaneously. Separating the revolutionary signal from the deafening noise is the critical challenge for 2025, because underneath all that hype, something genuinely powerful might actually be taking shape.